No need to worry, Starscream. Two-eyed Shockwave isn't real. He can't hurt you.
Are you sure about that?
Oh my God! All right, Megatron, get off the game chair. Johnny said it's my turn to play Xbox.
What? What's going on? I thought this was my place.
Give me that controller.
Give it back to me. I've been good.
Oh, come on, Megatron, don't be a baby. Give me that controller.
I'm telling Mom.
Let me put my Cheeto dust back on it and claim it as my own. I'm marking my territory.
What would you do if you and Sentinel were locked up in a room for 24 hours? Just asking. Hey, look at Cybertron!
Everyone's talking about how War for Cybertron and Fall of Cybertron got shut down. But why is no one talking about the best game of all? Rise of the Dark Star.
Shut up! The game sucks!
Do you really have the touch? Ask your girlfriend. She'll tell you I've got the touch and the power.
Who is best girl? You, Thundercracker, or Skywarp? Pfft, you're comparing them to me? Obviously, I'm best girl. Wait a second.
Shockwave, will you, or can you, dab in front of Megatron and say, "Dab on to haters"? Or are you a chicken? How dare you insult me like that? You think I would do something as silly as an old trend just to prove myself? Preposterous! I have better things to do. Megatron! Dab on to haters!
All right, fine. I did promise to give everyone a fair shot. Oh, come on! Well, almost everyone.
Megatron! Dab on to haters!
What would you do if you and Sentinel were locked up in a room for 24 hours? Just asking. Hey, look at Cybertron!
Can I have 2 pieces? 2 pieces of what? Bologna, salami, ravioli, sushi, ratatouille, macaroni, spaghetti, fettuccine, me? Gotta be specific, man. Dear Jazz, are you black?
Starscream. Have you ever looked up Starscream in the Urban Dictionary? Ah, interesting. I've never thought of doing that before. Let me look it up real quick. Okay. Starscream. Oh, come